class. I saw a few things while I was grading in the goal setting assignment, and so I kind of want to touch base with you guys on that and help out with your goals, setting your goals. First of all, make sure that your long-term goal, which you have to write two long-term goals, that they are academic goals. So for instance, many of you are writing to graduate from college. So your goal is to graduate from college. Excellent. So that is an academic goal. Another academic goal or example of an academic goal may be to graduate with a 4.0 GPA. Or another academic goal may be to earn at least a B in each class taken, okay? Those are academic goals. So once you set your two long-term academic goals, then you have to write supporting goals. The supporting goals are goals that support your long-term goal. So what does that mean? It means this. If your goal is to graduate from college, what do you need to do to graduate from college? Well, you need to take X amount of classes, right? So one of your goals could be take 13 classes in medical billing and coding for graduation, or achieve no less than a B in the 13 courses that I need for a medical billing associate's degree, right? Something like that. The short goal has to support, it has to be a task to get to the long-term goal, okay? So remember that. Now, another thing that I'm seeing is that you're not writing SMART goals. So what are SMART goals? SMART goals are, as you see on the screen, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. A specific goal: graduate college by 2021 with a GPA of 4.0. What do I want to accomplish? Specific answer to questions. What do I want to accomplish? Who needs to be included? When do I want to do this? And why is this a goal for me? That's what your specific answers, okay? Measurable. How can I measure progress and know if I've successfully met the goal? A supporting goal may be turn in all assignments on time with the quality of work to receive an A as a grade. Okay, so the goal is measurable because you can get an A. You'll see the results. That's your measure, the A in the grade, okay? And you're turning in your assignments. Attainable. Is the goal that you have or that you've set, is it attainable? Is it something that you can really do? Do you have the skills required to achieve the goal? If not, can you obtain those skills? What is the motivation for this goal? Is the amount of effort required par with the goal that you will achieve? Okay, so can you realistically achieve graduating college by 2021 with a GPA of 4.0? If you can't, then what can you do? What skills can you gain to achieve that goal? And maybe that's one of your supporting goals. But your goal has to be attainable. Okay? Relevant. Why are you setting this goal now? Is this goal really going to help you with where you want to go? Is this what your life is about? When we talked about values and your decisions, does this goal align with those values and the decisions that you want to make for your life? That's relevancy. Is it aligned with your overall objectives, right? And then finally, time bound. What is the deadline? And is it realistic? Be sure when you write down the deadlines that it is something that you really can do. I see a lot of you turning in goals without any deadlines, without any time tied to it. Go back. I didn't put any grades in the um, goals that were set. Some of you did get grades because you did it correctly. But if I added notes to your grades or to your paper, then I want you to go back and look at it. Make sure you have realistic deadlines set for each goal, including the supporting goals. Okay, so put some thought into that. All right. All right, guys. I wanted this to help you. I hope it does. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Okay.